how to find Netflix password on a device. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you should know that it is only possible to view the password if you are using iOS device. But if you are using Android device, then you will not be able to view it. So once you're on your iOS device, head over to the application password. Scan your Face ID, head over to all at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, simply search for Netflix. All the password of the Netflix that you have saved will be visible to you. Move into any of the Gmail account that you want to look the password of. Now click on password. And there you go, the password will be visible to you. So this is simply how you can find the password of Netflix on a device. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.